In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert an MP4 video file into an MP3 audio file using VLC Media Player. This is one of the easiest and completely free ways to extract audio from a video, whether it's music, a podcast, a lecture, or any audio you want to listen to on its own. VLC is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you don't need any extra software or online converters. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from the official Videoland website and install it using the default settings. Once VLC is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the Media menu. From the drop-down, select Convert Save. This will open the Open Media window, where you can choose the file you want to convert. In the Open Media window, make sure you're on the File tab. Click the Add button on the right side, then browse your computer and select the MP4 video file you want to convert to MP3. After selecting the file, click Open. You'll now see your file listed in VLC. At the bottom of the window, click the Convert Save button to move to the next step. This will open the Convert window. Here is where you choose the output format. Look for the Profile drop-down menu and click it. From the list, select Audio MP3. This tells VLC that you want to convert the video into an MP3 audio file. For better quality control, you can customize the profile. Click the small wrench or gear icon next to the Profile drop-down. In the Profile Settings window, go to the Audio Codec tab and make sure Audio is checked and MP3 is selected as the codec. You can also adjust the bitrate here if you want higher or lower audio quality. A higher bitrate means better sound quality but a slightly larger file size. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. Now let's choose where your MP3 file will be saved. Under the Destination section, click Browse. Select the folder where you want to save the converted file. In the file name field, type a name for your audio file, and make sure it ends with .mp3. This part is important so VLC saves it in the correct format. After choosing the location and file name, click Save. Everything is now ready. To begin the conversion, click the Start button. VLC will start processing the video, and you'll see a blue progress bar moving along the bottom of the VLC window. The time this takes depends on the length of the video. Once the progress bar finishes, the conversion is complete. Finally, go to the destination folder you selected and check your file. You should now see your MP3 audio file ready to play, transfer, or upload wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully converted an MP4 file to MP3 using VLC Media Player for free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.